Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the area of this one. So we need to wrap about this one and this one. About y equals to x to the power of 3, the graph should be like this. Y equals to 2x squared, the graph should be like this. Now, the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. So, we need to find the intersection in here and here. So, we have y and y, so we can find like this. So, I will put this one going here. Now we have s squared and s to the power of 3. We can do about factorization. And this one we have two solutions. That's about s equals to number 0 and s equals to number 2. So this intersection in here, that is about number 2. This one in here, that's about 0. So after we find the intersection, we can put into the integration in here. This is about the area equals to the integration from 0 to number 2. So we have upper minus lower. So the upper, that is about this one. The lower, that is about this one in here. Based on the graph, and now we have the final answer. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. This one, we have s to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. And now we can put the bounds going here, number 0 going here. So we calculate about this one and we got 4 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.